Hey, welcome everyone. It's time for Tricks Trade of the Week, brought to you by Trade Ideas. Let's get going here. Sorry, I just got to move some stuff around on another screen. I got stuff all over the place. Okay, so on EFX, this was an incredible trade. Ended up catching from my initial entry down to basically my best cover was about 7 points. Actually, it was 7 points. This was an absolute monstrous trade. So first thing in the morning, I noticed on my Trade Ideas down gappers scan that EFX was down quite a bit. It was already gapping down about a point. Which definitely alerted me, because if you look at the daily chart here, this thing's been like, look at this. I mean, yesterday we had an incredible day on EFX. Just really, the bottom really fell out as soon as it kind of broke some support here. And once that happens, and some people asked me about it in chat this morning. I said, geez, I don't know. I mean, this could really go either way, because the news is absolutely horrible, and because of the stock's price, there's so much range. It could continue to the downside, or shit, I mean, it could bounce. When you have massive days like this is a big day, so you can expect a bounce, which is what it did kind of later on once it found its bottom at 90. And the bottom that we were looking for actually was 90. Initially, as soon as I jumped in, my first target was 95. I mean, for anyone to say like, oh, I knew it was going to 90, that's insanity. But as soon as 95 broke, because of the price of the stock, you're going to want to use $5 increments. You don't want to use like just $1, like 95, then 94, and then 93, and then 92. You're going to want to use the $5 increments, and basically that's what it did. It found the bottom at 90, well, 89.50, but I mean, we're calling it 90 here, because it will blow through that. But like I said, yeah, I mean, it bounced off the 90. So that's basically where we took our covers in the room. So let's get into the actual trade. Like I said, in this area here where it was gapping down, right in this area is where it caught my eye, because it regained, and then I noticed it up on the scanner being down over a point. It was like, okay, this could get good. And as soon as it rode right back up to the previous close, I was like, fuck yeah, now we got a definite line in the sand. We have a very tight stop on it. You're able to get in and then just risk off a certain level, and the certain level being high of basically pre-market, just over the previous close. So we're laughing, we're good to go. So let me kind of get zoomed in. So basically, I jumped right in as soon as it started dumping out. I didn't care about the fill that I got. To me, that did not matter. Like I said, I'm risking off that level, and very confident in the trade that it's going to come down. If I lost, I would have been down a point. If I was looking to if this trade was going to work, like I said, my target was 95. So I'm at a 5-to-1 risk reward, which is more than acceptable. When you're playing higher price stocks, you can't necessarily look at the dollar loss. I mean, building small accounts, yes, you have to, but there's definitely ways to go about it, though, guys. So like I said, I jumped in, and as soon as I got in the first candle, it started riding up. I was kind of a little pissed at myself that I didn't wait for a little bit of a retracement, but like I said, it doesn't matter, because I'm risking off those pre-market highs, right? So it is what it is. And then it just the bottom fell out, and we were having a really good time in chat with it. I mean, this is a massive wash from where it started washing after the retracement. I mean, it's washing points, guys. Like, these candles are massive. So, I mean, money's just racking up on the P&L. Not that you should be trading your P&L, but man, it was pretty hard not to look at the P&L and just basically drool over it. I got a really nice position size, very confident in the trade. That's the thing, guys. If you're confident in a trade, fucking hit it. Do not fuck around. Hit it. Now, I paid myself on these washes up to right in this area, right in the 95 as it was approaching the 95. That's where I took my first cover, let it dump out again, covered up, and then just basically rode it out. And as soon as it made this double bottom right here, boom, all out. So 7 points, fucking beautiful, unbelievable. And right where I took my cover here, I wanted to go long, but I had to step away from the desk for a little bit. This is something you'll see quite often, and will be detailed in further lessons. This right here is the moneymaker. So anyways, guys, that's the trade on EFX, Tricks Trade of the Week, brought to you by Trade Ideas. This is unbelievable day, and not to mention fucking nailed Halo short this morning too, but that's for I got to do a trade recap for members here. Really nice couple of trades today. Very big day, very happy day. So anyways, guys, I hope you learned something from this. Oh well, I guess I could say why I was so basically I had some conviction in this trade and just really loaded up. I'm just a little bit all over the place. Anytime I have a big day like this, I may end up taking tomorrow's trading day off. Still be around in chat, but just kind of take it easy. A fucking monstrous day, people. Monstrous. So the reason why I really got in on this was, listen, when you have something like this happening and it's right around the $100 area and it kind of broke that $100 support, more often than not, it is going to continue, and it was just showing weakness. You know, when something shows weakness like that, right off the bat, it just like dumps out. It's like, yeah, it's more than likely it's going to scare a lot of people. You're going to have some people really just trying to scramble, get out of it with the most profit as they can. And you're going to have people shorten it down. There's going to be a bunch of selling strength, selling pressure, which is basically what happened. So anyways, that's kind of why I jumped into it. There will be a detailed trade recap for members, and I will see you tomorrow, guys, for the members. And if you're not a member yet and you're in a room that's struggling, listen, guys, there's no reason to struggle. I mean, my members, they definitely turn themselves around quite quickly. We take very basic setups. This isn't necessarily a basic setup. This is a little higher priced and something that I wouldn't consider for a beginner or novice trader, but it's a trade I couldn't ignore. So if you're in a room that's struggling, in the room that you're in, you know, they're catching 10, 20 cents, like the mentors catching 10, 20, 30 cents on a trade, guys, get out of there. You're not going to learn fuck all on that. To scalp trades like that is lame. It's not worth your hard-earned money. So come to a room that actually will teach you how to catch these moves, these monstrous moves. You see me post it each and every day on Twitter, man. Like, these are the moves we catch. We catch the big moves. I know, as well as my moderators know, what they're looking for to catch these monstrous moves. So there's tons of different watch lists. Mine, my head moderator Mo, and then we've got two other moderators, Scott, which smashed the bid, and then Noah. They post their watch list. So you have a ton of opportunity in this room, and people that are really they love to teach. This is what they want to do, right? So okay, guys, I'll let you go, and come check out TrICKTRADES.com, and yeah, I'll leave a link for Trade Ideas if you guys don't have any scans. and you want some scanners, get them, don't get them, but the link is there to save you 15%. Okay, later guys, have a good one.